So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a checking account using the RBC Mobile app. So once the RBC app's opened up on your phone, what I want you to do is to either press right in the middle where it says Account Overview and open an account, or go to the bottom right, press on More, then just slide down to where it says Products and then open an account. It works the exact same way. Once you're on this page where it says what account are you looking for, at the top it says checking, press on that. Now once you're here on the checking accounts page, you have a whole bunch of different checking accounts at your disposal. You have RBC day-to-day banking, advantage banking, no limit banking, etc. So you can go down and choose a checking account of your choice. So for this demonstration, I will just go with RBC day-to-day banking. And once you're here, it'll tell you what you have. So you have, in this case, you have 12 free debits per month, free Interact e-transfers, no minimum balance. There also is a fee table right here in case you guys are curious. So before you guys open an account, make sure you guys do your due diligence and go through, everything here to make sure you understand. And once that is done, go to the bottom, press on Open an Account in Minutes, and then follow the steps that way. So that is how you guys can open up a checking account using the RBC Mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.